my first race car.
Yeah. It's from the brand.
Whatever it's called.
Hey, you put it upside down.
Okay, so you see right here, if you want to make it go forward, you can see that. If you want to make it go backwards, you can see that. If you want to make it turn a little bit, you press one of these buttons. And if you just, okay. Let me start focusing. It's a little bit hard to control. Stop recording. It's going all over the place right now. He's running into the walls. It's kind of hard to control.
Rolling the double.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, not already subscribed. Oh, and one more thing. Stay loving toys. Bye.